Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to add new admin to your Facebook page. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Facebook app. Then after you open up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to simply go to your page. I'm going to click on here to access my page. Then I'll get into your page. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three dots. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to page status. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and then click on manage admin. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on add new. So the next thing you want to do right here is to click on next. And then you have to enter the name of new admin right here. And the person must be your friend on Facebook. So for example, I'm going to enter a name right here. So having entered the name, next thing I'm doing is to decide what type of content do you want them to access on your page. So content, message and call, community activity, ads, site, etc. You can also allow this person to also have full control of your page. If that is your whole case, you can turn on this. But if you don't want them to have full control of your page, you just want to give them access to content, messages, calls, community activities, ads, insight, etc. What you need to do is to click on give access. Give access right here. Just like so. Then you'll be asked to enter your login password. Enter your login password and confirm. Boom. And they will be sent a request to be a new admin of a certain area or certain part of your Facebook page. So basically, this is how to add a new admin to your Facebook page without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.